How to lose weight in 30 days. A week-by-week strategy. INTRO 0 o'clock to 0:40. What if I told you that you could start seeing real weight loss results in just 30 days without extreme dieting or spending hours in the gym? In this video, I'm breaking down how to lose weight in 30 days using a week-by-week strategy that's practical, sustainable, and beginner-friendly. This is not a crash diet. This is about building momentum, 1 week at a time. Let's get started. Week 1. Reset your habits 0:42 to 10. Goal. Create a calorie deficit without feeling overwhelmed. Week 1 is all about awareness and cleanup, not perfection. Strategy for week 1. Remove liquid calories. Cut out soda, sweetened coffee, juices, and alcohol. Drink water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. Control portions. Don't change everything yet. Eat the same foods you normally eat, just smaller portions. Half the rice or pasta. 1 slice instead of 2. Smaller plates help a lot. Walk every day 20 to 30 minutes. No gym needed. Walking daily boosts fat loss and reduces cravings. Sleep at least 7 hours. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and slows weight loss. Result of week 1. Less bloating, water weight loss, better energy, and fewer cravings. Week 2. Upgrade your food choices to 10 to 4 o'clock. Goal. Improve food quality while keeping meals simple. Now that your habits are cleaner, we focus on what you eat. Strategy for week 2. Protein at every meal. Protein keeps you full and preserves muscle. Examples: eggs, chicken or fish, Greek yogurt, beans or tofu. Half your plate equals vegetables. Veggies are low calorie, high volume, and great for digestion. Cut ultra-processed foods. Reduce fast food, chips, sugary snacks. Replace with fruits, nuts, small portions, homemade meals. Eat 3 meals, 1 snack max. Avoid constant snacking, it adds calories fast. Result of week 2. Steadier weight loss, fewer cravings, and better digestion. Week 3. ADD structure and training 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Goal. Increase fat burn and muscle tone. Week 3 is where visible changes start happening. Strategy for week 3. Strength training 3 times a week. You don't need heavy weights. Focus on squats, push-ups, lunges, planks. 20 to 30 minutes is enough. Increase daily movement. Aim for 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day. Take stairs. Move more throughout the day. Reduce carbs slightly at night. Not no carbs, just fewer. Swap rice or bread for veggies or protein at dinner. Track progress, not just the scale. Use photos, measurements, how clothes fit. Result of week 3. Fat loss accelerates. Body looks tighter. Confidence increases. Week 4. Lock it in and avoid rebound 6 o'clock to 7:30. Goal. Maintain results and prevent regain. The final week is about consistency, not pushing harder. Strategy for week 4. Stick to your routine. Same meals, same workouts, same sleep schedule. Allow 1 controlled treat meal. This prevents binging and keeps you motivated. Manage stress. High stress equals high cortisol equals fat storage. Try deep breathing, stretching, short walks. Plan for life after 30 days. Ask yourself, which habits can I keep long term? Result of week 4. Stable weight loss, stronger habits, and long-term success. Conclusion: 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Weight loss in 30 days isn't about extreme rules, it's about weekly focus and consistency. Week 1. Reset. Week 2. Eat better. Week 3. Train smarter. Week 4. Maintain results. If you follow this plan, you won't just lose weight, you'll build habits that last.